Did you know you could retire in your 30s or 40s without winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune? Sounds crazy, right? But thousands of people are doing it right now. And no, it's not about being a millionaire. It's about something called the FIRE movement. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it works and how you can start your journey to financial freedom today. In this video, we're diving deep into the FIRE movement, what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to retire early as soon as possible. I'll break it down into simple steps, share real-life stories of people who've done it, and give you practical tips to get started. And if you stick around until the end, I'll reveal the one mistake most people make when trying to achieve FIRE and how you can avoid it. Let's be honest, working a 9-to-5 job until you're 65 doesn't sound exciting to anyone. You're stuck in a cycle: work, pay bills, repeat. And even if you save a little, it feels like you're never getting ahead. But here's the thing: retiring early isn't just for the rich. It's about making smart choices with your money and time. The problem: most people don't know where to start. They think they need to earn more, save more, or invest in risky stocks. But the truth is, it's simpler than you think. What is the FIRE movement? FIRE stands for Financial Independence, Retire Early. It's a lifestyle movement that's all about saving and investing aggressively so you can retire decades earlier than normal. The goal? To have enough money saved up so you don't have to work for the rest of your life. Sounds amazing, right? But how does it actually work? Let's break it down. Step 1. Save like crazy. The first step to achieving FIRE is saving a huge chunk of your income. Most people save 10 to 20% of what they earn, but in the FIRE movement, people save 50%, 60%, or even 70% of their income. How? By cutting unnecessary expenses and living below their means. For example, instead of buying a fancy car or eating out every day, they focus on what really matters. It's not about being cheap. It's about being intentional with your money. Step 2. Invest wisely. Saving alone won't get you to FIRE. You need to make your money work for you. That's where investing comes in. Most people in the FIRE movement invest in low-cost index funds, or ETFs. These are like baskets of stocks that grow over time. The key is to start early and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. For example, if you invest $1,000 a month starting at age 25, you could have over $1,000 a month starting at age 25. And you could have over $1 million by age 45. That's the power of investing. Step 3. Increase your income. Saving and investing are great, but there's only so much you can cut from your budget. To really speed up your journey to FIRE, you need to increase your income. This could mean asking for a raise, switching to a higher-paying job, or starting a side hustle. For example, one guy I know started a blog about personal finance. At first, it was just a hobby, but now it earns him enough to cover all his living expenses. That's the kind of thing that can supercharge your FIRE journey. Step 4. Track your progress. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not tracking their progress. You need to know exactly how much you're saving, spending, and investing. There are tons of apps and tools that can help you do this. For example, apps like Mint or YNAB, you need a budget, can show you where your money is going and help you stay on track. The more you know about your finances, the easier it is to make smart decisions. Step 5. Stay disciplined. The hardest part of FIRE isn't the math, it's the mindset. You need to stay disciplined, even when it feels like you're missing out. But here's the thing. The sacrifices you make now will pay off big time in the future. Imagine being able to travel, spend time with your family, or pursue your passions without worrying about money. That's what FIRE is all about. Here's the big secret about the FIRE movement. It's not about being rich. It's about being free. Free to live life on your own terms. Free to do what you love. And free to stop worrying about money. The truth is, most people spend their lives chasing things they don't really need. But with FIRE, you can focus on what truly matters. And the best part? You don't need to be a financial expert to get started. You just need to take the first step. Real-life FIRE stories. Let me tell you about Sarah, a 35-year-old teacher from Texas. She was tired of living paycheck to paycheck, so she decided to try the FIRE movement. She started by cutting her expenses. No more daily Starbucks runs or expensive vacations. Then, she started investing in index funds. Fast forward 10 years, and Sarah now has enough saved up to retire. She spends her days traveling and volunteering, something she never thought was possible. Book recommendations. If you want to learn more about FIRE, here are a few books I recommend. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin. This book is like the Bible of the FIRE movement. The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. It's all about investing, made simple. Quit Like a Millionaire by Christy Shen. A great read for anyone who wants to retire early. Common Mistakes to Avoid. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to achieve FIRE is being too extreme. They cut all their expenses, work crazy hours, and burn out. But FIRE isn't about suffering. It's about finding balance. You don't have to live like a monk to retire early. The key is to make sustainable changes that you can stick to for the long term. Retiring early might seem like a dream, but it's totally possible if you're willing to put in the work. The FIRE movement isn't just about money. It's about freedom. Freedom to live the life you want, on your own terms. So, what are you waiting for? Start today, and who knows? Soon, you might be living your dream. So, what's your first step going to be? Are you going to start saving more, investing, or maybe even starting a side hustle? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your plans. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.